viewers, welcome to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. In this video we'll discuss the science midterm exam of class 6. So maximum marks is 80 and time duration is 3 hours. So let us start reading the paper, but before that, if you are new on the channel, please subscribe it. So first there are general instructions. Section A, B, C, D, E are there and the respective marks are also given. First is section A. Section A is objective type questions. Select and write the correct option. First is MCQs, 20 marks, 1 mark each. Which of the following food components give energy to our body? Proteins, vitamins, minerals or carbohydrates? Which of the following will float on water? Iron, ice, stone or book? Guava, lemon, orange and tomato are rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C or vitamin D. How many muscles work together to move a bone? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Next question. Question number 5. Which of these materials is soft? Wood, stone, iron or sponge? Which part of the plant is responsible for making food? Root, stem, leaf or flower? Salt is obtained from seawater by the process of sedimentation, decantation, evaporation or distillation. Which of the following mineral functions by building strong bones and teeth? Iodine, calcium, iron and sodium. Which of the following joint is immovable? Shoulder, knee, upper jaw or lower jaw? Components of the following materials will not mix well with water: vinegar, lemon juice, mustard oil or alcohol. Components of a mixture separated by sieving are done based on differences in their weight, color, shape or size. Which of the following is a taproot system? Grass, neem, wheat or maize? Which of the following is a non-luminous object? Torch, sun, electric light or chair? Next, which method is best for separating oil from water? Filtration, decantation, evaporation or winnowing? Which part of the plant anchors it to the soil? Leaf, stem, root or flower? Which of the following can never form a circular shadow? A ball, a flat disc, a shoebox or an ice cream cone? Now answer in one word or one line for question number 17 to 20. So 3 questions are for one word or one line. Write one example of a metal. What is skeleton? Name the process used to separate grains from stalks. Give one example each of a creeper and climber. So this was all for section A. Now section B, very short questions, 2 marks each, 6 questions. What happens to some metals when exposed to air and moisture? What is winnowing? Where is it used? Bones cannot be bent. So how can we bend our elbow? Name the type of joint present in our elbow. Why are shadows formed? Give 2 properties of shadow. Why rice and pulses are washed before cooking? Which method is used in this process? Write short note on cartilage. Section C, short answer questions. Explain how will you separate sand and water from their mixture? No diagram required. Define transparent, translucent and opaque objects with examples. Give difference between reticulate and parallel venation with example. Explain how do the following organisms move? Snakes, birds, snails. Define herbs, shrubs and trees. What do you mean by obesity? Why water is required by our body? 2 points you have to write. Next, draw a well-labeled diagram of a pinhole camera. Write 2 properties of an image formed by pinhole camera. Now section D, 3 marks each, 5 questions. Draw a well-labeled diagram of a flower. Name the male and female reproductive parts of a flower. Write an activity to show that light travels in a straight line with diagram. What are joints? Explain ball and socket joint with example. How do we know the shape of the different bones in our body? Now section E, case-based or source-based questions. Akash has difficulty in seeing things in dim light. The doctor tested his eyesight and prescribed a particular vitamin supplement. He also advised him to include a few food items in his diet. Which deficiency disease is he suffering from? Which food component can be lacking in his diet? Suggest some food items that he should include in his diet. So you have to attempt any two. We know that materials differ in some of their properties, and they may also be similar in some of their properties. Materials can be grouped on the basis of similarities or differences in their properties. Why do we need to group materials? Name two sinking objects. Name one gas soluble in water. Next, many substances dissolve in water and form a solution. We said that these substances are soluble. Substances which do not dissolve are called insoluble. Name one substance which is insoluble. Can water dissolve any amount of a substance? What do you mean by saturated solution? So this was all for the science paper. One science paper for class 6 is already there. So you can visit my channel. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends also.